What's up guys, welcome back. It's Kyle bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can make money on your phone just by playing games. And it's very easy and simple to do, and the app is very easy to use. So if you guys are new and want to see more of this kind of stuff on the channel, all you gotta do is hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these kind of videos that I upload on the channel. So with that said, hope you guys do enjoy, and let's get right into it. So what you want to do is go into your Google Play Store and you want to search up Big Cash. It should be the first one that pops up. Once you get it downloaded, you want to click open, and up at the top it shows you how many coins you have. I have 189, and I recently played a game called Coin Master. You get coins for every minute that you play the game, but when you get on this page, it'll give you a quick tip. If you scroll over to the right, there will be gift cards, and the minimum payout is $5, so you got to get like 5,000 coins in order to cash out. It goes all the way up to 100 for PayPal Cash, and you can have all these kinds of gift cards if you scroll down. So the best one I would say is PayPal, but that's up to you guys if you guys choose one of these other ones. Next is invite friends. Your invitation code, if you guys use this invitation code, that'd be awesome. Invite your friends and get 20% of their coins earnings for a lifetime. Also earn 10% coins when your invited friends refer their friends, so that's pretty awesome. Note, invite is counted when your friend downloads the app and puts your invitation code in input invitation code tab. Note, referral bonus coins are added directly to your coin balance, so that is pretty awesome. I can copy the code for you guys to put it down in the description below, and you guys can copy and paste it. Next is relax your brain. Relax your brain by playing 150 plus games without requiring you to install, so that's pretty awesome. Next is input invitation code. We see 70 coins when you input your friend's invite code. You can only enter your friend's invite code once, so this is where you guys could copy and paste the code that is in the description below for you guys to use for this app. Next is scratch cards, and there's only 3 that you could choose from. I have not tried these yet, so if you guys want to check them out, do so on your free time. Next is more, and it gives you the ability to contact them and view their privacy policies and stuff like that. So let's head back to the earn coins section. Go to featured offers. This will give you some games that you could download. If you play this game right here, up at the top it says traffic puzzle. It'll give you 17 coins in 1 minute. That's pretty low for that game, so I would not recommend that one. The one that I would recommend is the highest coins that you get per minute. They do have deals or days that you guys can earn more coins per minute. You just have to come back and see what games that they have available every day, and it's like 2 or 3 days that they have the more coins that you get per minute, so that's pretty awesome. I think the days are off right now that you can earn more coins. Say like 2 or 3 days down the road, or maybe every week, they have a few days that you guys can earn more coins, but you guys got to download different games in order to use the double coin feature. So with that said, hope you guys do enjoy this video, and if you guys do want to download this app, the link will be down in the description below if you guys do not want to search for it in the Play Store. So make sure you guys are using that invite code. That'd be awesome, and hope you guys did learn something from this video, and be sure to check out these next videos if you guys haven't seen any other ones on the channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.